This is a hot cut tool, and it's what blacksmiths use to cut metal in half like a knife through butter. I'm going to show you how I made one. First, you want to start by heating the metal up in the forge to about 12 to 1600 degrees till it's orange. Then you want to pound out the edge so it starts to form a shape kind of like a blade. Then I'm going to go over to the power hammer and start drawing out the edge of the blade into a tapered point. Bringing it back and forth to the hardy hole to get the shape and size back to what it needs to be to sit flat. And then I'm going to take a chisel and mark my line across it where I want to cut because I have way too much material. Then I'm going to bring it over to the edge of the anvil and I'm going to start hitting it to where it's going to start compressing that material into a thin spot where I can eventually break it off. Next step is heat treat and quenching so we can have a very hard edge for cutting. I'm going to stick it in the forge and then grab my quenching oil, and while it's heating up, go ahead and open that and get it ready. Once up to temperature, I'm going to dunk it in the quenching oil, and that'll cause the material to get hard. And then I'm going to move over to the grinder and clean up all the edges of the material so it's nice and uniform. Then I'm going to take it over to the anvil and test it out. Works great. Thanks for watching.